Hi guys, Uh, today we'll try to understand the various components of Google Sheets before we deep dive into adding data, working on formulas, adding charts, and performing analysis on this beautiful tool. So let's start with the basic component, which is your Google Sheets icon. Now, this is your Google Sheets home. As soon as you click on Google Sheets home, it will take you to the website or the home page of docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Here you will find all your spreadsheets listed one below the other. This is from where you can select your Google Sheets and move ahead towards adding data. This is the place where you can add new Google Sheets, or if you want to create new file altogether, or you can use an existing templates which are provided by Google. So let's move ahead with our existing Google Sheet. And try to understand the next component on the layout. This is your file name. Yes. So you can change your file name. So you can edit your file name from here itself. Below file name, you will find the menu bar. So this is your menu bar. Below menu bar, you will find your formatting toolbar. So this entire thing is your formatting toolbar. Great. This is your formula bar. These are some of your advanced tools which we will try to use in some of our videos while doing analysis. or through some of your menu bar items or menu bar options. Now let's move to the right hand side of your Google Sheet, upper corner. This particular icon provides your comment history. So any comments that you add on Google Sheets, if you click on this icon, you would be able to see the comments. We'll again explore these options when we try to use the options in menu bar to add comments on this Google Sheet. The next icon just next to comment history is your slideshow. So this particular option can be used when you want to present your slide to your management, your managers, or down the line your team to showcase your data or analysis. Next to slideshow is the share icon. Now the share button can be used to share your file with your colleagues or your managers. We'll explore that option as well in your subsequent videos. Let's understand the components now which will be working the maximum time in Google Sheets. So in any spreadsheets that you work on, will always have columns and rows. Columns are referred to the components which are marked as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and so on. So it represents the columns. Yeah. So the vertical items that you see, or the vertical row, vertical option that I have marked here are called columns. Yes, guys? Everyone with me? Right? So we'll write it as columns. Yeah? The horizontal part, which is your numbering, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, are your rows. So if I have to select row number 18, then I'd be This is my entire row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be called as row headers. And this will be called as rows. Similarly, A, B, C, D would be called as column headers. Right? Now let's come to the left bottom hand corner of the screen, where you will find plus icon. Now this icon is used to add worksheets. So I can add a multiple worksheets to add multiple data. Yeah. And these are sheet tabs. All them sheet tabs. So if you try to add worksheets by clicking on the plus icon, the sheet tabs would get added besides each other. Now let's come to the right hand corner, bottom right hand corner of the screen, where you can see a small icon which is in the form of star. This is called Explorer, which is used to give quick insights on the available data that you put on Google Sheets. I hope this will help you to explore the various components of Google Sheets as we move on to the next videos, where we'll try to understand each and every component which we have marked as of now. Thank you. Let's move on to the second video to get in detailed explanation about each and every component.